Hey everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. I hope you're having a great day. Today's video covers a wide range of GM produced SUVs. If you have a third row and you have the middle seat belt right here that you bring right down here and you buckle in just like that, it may be buckled and you might be wondering, well, how do I get that to release? The release button is right here. Now you could use a key to do that, but let me show you an even easier way. I'm going to reach over here and grab the buckle for this side, and then we're going to come right down here. Let me make sure I have enough to do this, and all you're going to do is just put that in there, and see that? It automatically releases it. A simple little trick that you may not have known about that makes it super convenient to get that seat belt out of the way. If there is a tutorial on a GMC, Chevrolet, Cadillac, whatever it is, GM produced SUV that you would like to know about, or just anything else for that matter as far as any vehicle goes, tell me down in the comment section. I'll try and make that tutorial for you, and we'll share it in the comment section to your comment. But I appreciate everybody for taking the time to watch. Make sure to share this video on your timelines on social media so it can help other people. Thanks for taking the time to watch. I'll see you next time.